Let's kick this off by teaching you how to roll out your glute max muscle by using a foam roller. Now, the self-massage technique is, honestly, in my opinion, it's pretty easy to learn, and it's even easier to commit to memory. So once you learn this, you should have no problem doing this anytime you really want to. The style I teach you is going to cover only one glute max muscle at a time. So this technique is, one of the benefits is going to let you put more pressure on a single glute. The reason I find it safer to do one side at a time is because the two bones that make up your tailbone, your sacrum and your coccyx, they're sensitive. They're close to the surface and they're located between the two glute muscles. So you want to be a little bit careful when trying to put pressure on both sides. Hence the reason I'm teaching you how to do one side at a time. So one of the things you'll need is a foam roller. And you also need a soft surface because you're going to be putting your hands down. I've left links in the description of things you can buy to have that. And then once you have that foam roller, you put it down, you get on it, 3 points of contact, one hand, both your feet, knees bent. You make contact like I'm leaning with my left side, left hand on the ground. My left glute is going to be worked on. I can either hold and do a little bit of compression pressure just to, like release some of the tissue, or I can do a little bit of back and forth, creating more of a friction effect, break up any knots, getting a little more blood flow in there. Active is better before you do activity. Then when I want to switch, I put both hands down, I lift my glutes, I shift my weight to the other side. I come up off the arm, off the side I'm not going to be targeting. And I make sure I'm on that roller again with 3 points of contact, feet and the hand on the side that I'm going to be rolling. And you could either do compressions, or you go back and forth, move in with those 3 points of contact onto your glutes, getting a back and forth motion, getting good blood flow in there, breaking up any knots, and then when you're done, you can come up off it, and you'll have just successfully rolled out your glute max muscle on both sides.